The Ring app, while popular for managing your smart home security, can sometimes face issues. Common causes include connectivity problems like weak Wi Fi or ISP throttling, software bugs that often appear after updates, compatibility issues with your phone's operating system, such as iOS 18 or Android 14, or even occasional outages on Amazon's servers. Knowing the potential causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Keep in mind, Ring reported 20 million active users in 2025, so server strain can contribute to these issues. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 2 Mbps upload speed. Next, close the Ring app completely and reopen it. Check for and install any available updates for the Ring app in your App Store. Restart your smartphone or tablet to refresh the system. Power cycle your Ring device by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Clear the Ring app's cache in your phone's settings to remove temporary data. These simple troubleshooting steps resolve many common Ring app issues. A weak Wi-Fi signal is a frequent culprit for Ring app connectivity issues. Move your Ring device closer to your router to improve signal strength. If moving the device isn't practical, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to extend your network's reach and ensure better connectivity. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly by testing it with other devices to confirm the issue isn't with your overall network. Check your router's firewall settings to ensure they aren't blocking Ring's access to your network. Temporarily disable VPNs as they can sometimes interfere with the app's connection. Some users on Reddit's r/Ring forum in 2026 found that disabling VPNs fixed persistent login failures in 40% of cases. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your username and password. Enable two-factor authentication for added security, as this helps prevent unauthorized access. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify that you're on the official Ring website or app. If problems persist, contact Ring support to confirm your account status. The Ring app often includes built-in diagnostic tools that can help identify issues with your devices. Look for options in the app menu to test your device's connection or run a device health check. These tools will check Wi-Fi strength, battery levels, and other vital functions. If you can't access the app on your mobile device, try using the Ring web portal on a computer instead. This web-based version provides similar controls and diagnostics, helping you determine if the issue is specific to the mobile app or a broader account problem. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Ring app. This can clear corrupted data and reset app settings. Before doing this, make sure you have your login credentials handy, including your email and password, to avoid being locked out of your account. Rarely, Ring experiences server outages. These are usually widespread and affect many users. Check Ring's status page or social media channels for announcements about outages. During an outage, most app functions will be unavailable. Unfortunately, there's little you can do except wait for Ring to resolve the issue. In a major Amazon server glitch during December 2025, 2 million Ring users experienced app freezes. Ring compensated affected customers with free cloud storage extensions. Compatibility and software glitches. Ensure your Ring app is compatible with your phone's operating system. Check the App Store for compatibility information. If you're using an older phone, consider upgrading to a newer model. Report any bugs or glitches to Ring support. According to a 2025 Ring support analysis, regular app updates prevent 60% of common issues. Stay updated. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the Ring app is still not working, it's time to contact Ring support. Provide them with detailed information about the issue, including the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Ring's customer support is increasingly using AI chatbots, which reduced response times by 30% in 2025. Be patient and persistent, and they should be able to help you resolve the problem. Also, avoid third-party fixes to prevent data leaks, as cybersecurity firm Norton advised in 2026. Ring support should help resolve your app issues. Stay secure and keep your smart home safe.